Good day, everyone. This is Sir June, your math teacher for today. So, our lesson for today, class, will be all about mental multiplication. So, before we start our lesson, class, I'm going to enumerate first the learning outcomes of this lesson. So, the first learning outcome, class, is students should know how to multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers mentally. The second and last learning outcome, class, is students should know how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers mentally. In this slide, class, we'll be learning on how to multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers mentally. So, class, I just want to let you know that there are three ways or techniques in finding the products. And now, class, I will use examples to introduce to you those ways or techniques. So the first one here, we are going to find now the product of 25 by 4. So in this way, class, we will be breaking 25 into its tens and ones. 20 and 5. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to multiply 20 and 5 by 4. Then after that, we're going to add the two products. So class, 25 times 4 is just the same as open parenthesis 20 times 4 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 5 times 4 close parenthesis. So now, class, we're going to find now by doing this step. So the first one is let's find the product of 20 and 4. And the answer there is 80. And then for the step 2, we're going to multiply the 5 by 4. And the product is 20. And after that one, class, we are going to add now the two products, the 80 and the 20. And the sum is 100. So if we're going to multiply, class, 25 and 4, the product is 100. Okay, so in the second way or technique, class, look at this one in this example. Letter B, let's multiply now the 38 by 4. Okay, so now, class, in multiplying by 4 is just the same as multiplying by 2 twice. So let's double 38. The answer is 76. And if we're going to double 76, the product or the answer is 152. And this answer, class, is just the same with 38 times 4 equals 152. Okay, now in the third way or technique, class, look at this example. So we're going to find the product of 27 and 7. So take note, class, that 27 is 3 less than 30. First one we'll do is let's multiply the 30 and the 3 by 7. Then after that, we're going to subtract the products. So look at here. So 27, class, times 7 is just the same as open parenthesis 30 times 7 close parenthesis minus open parenthesis 3 times 7 close parenthesis. So let's do now the steps. The first step is let's multiply the 30 and 7. So the product there is 210. The step 2 is we're going to multiply the 3 and 7. And the product, class, is 21. Then the third and last step is we're going to subtract all the initial products. So 210 minus 21 equals 189. So this answer, class, is just the same with 27 times 7 equals 189. So now, class, in this lesson, we'll be learning here on how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers mentally. So just the same a while ago, class, the topic there with the previous slide, that there are three ways or techniques in finding the products. So I'll be using here examples also to introduce or discuss to you those ways or techniques. So the first one here, example, class, is we're going to find now the product of 25 and 12. So look at, class, on this screen now. So 25 times 12 is just the same as 25 times 6 times 2. So there are steps to do, class, or to follow in finding the product in this way, or this first way or technique. So the first step is, let us multiply 25 by 6. So the product there is 150. So the second step and last step, class, we're going to find the product, or multiply the 150 by 2, and the product there is a 300. So now, class, if we're going to solve now 25 times 12, the answer is 300. So the second way or technique, class, in this lesson now, we're going to multiply or find the product of 15 and 24. So take note, class, that 15 times 24 is the same only as open parenthesis 3 times 5 close parenthesis times open parenthesis 4 times 6 equal close parenthesis rather, and we can rearrange the factors, class, so that it is easier to find the answer. So as you see here below, look at here. So 15 times 24, so open parenthesis 3 times 5 close parenthesis times open parenthesis 4 times 6 close parenthesis, and you see here below, we're going to partner now the 3 and the 4 and the 5 and the 6. So now 3 times 4 equals 12. So look at my pointer now. So 5 times 6 equals 30. So let's multiply now the 12 and the 30. And the product is 360. That is the one way of rearranging the factors for us to find out the product in in easier way. Okay, so let's proceed now on the next slide. So this will be the third and last way in finding the product, class. So look at here. I have example here. Let's find the product of 23 and 13. So now on the screen now, as you see here, 23 times 13 equals open parenthesis 23 times 8 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 23 times 4 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 23 times 1 close parenthesis. So look at here, there are steps to follow. So the first step is, let us double 23 three times. So 2 times 23 equals 46. 4 times 23 equals 92. 8 times 23 equals 184. So let us now add all the products, class. So look at here. So the products are 184, 92, and 184. So let's add all these initial products. So if we're going to put together all these initial products, the final product is 299. So if we're going to multiply now, 23 times 13 equals 299. Okay, class, so that's all for today's class. I hope that you learned a lot from this video tutorial. So thank you so much. And please stay safe and healthy. God bless. Bye, class.